In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in word art and manipulate your word art, because you all have to have a name, your name, not a name, your name somewhere involved using word art. So when I first get on the slide to delete these, you have to make sure they're highlighted or selected, I should say. So you just click on it and then you click the backspace or the delete button. So I click on it, backspace or delete. Okay, those go away. Now to put in word art, well, first of all, you should title your presentation with your first and last name and the option that you chose. So if you chose the room, the essay, or the collage. I'm just going to leave mine like that because it works for all three options. So now I'm going to click Insert. Insert means you're putting something into your slide, whether it be an image, or in this case, well, not in this case, a text box. So you want to write something. Audio, video, we're not really doing that unless you really want to. Word art. So there's actually an option to insert word art. So I click that. Then you type your name. You just need your first name. If you want it one in lowercase, you do that. If you want it all in capitals, then you can make sure you capitalize all of the letters. So now once I have my name written, if I click on my name, I can move it around. So if I click on it and I see that the arrows are crisscrossed like a plus sign, then I can move my name. For the essay and the collage, I think it specifies have your name be kind of in the middle of the slide. I'm going to change that though. For the essay, you can put it wherever. For the collage, I would like it in the middle. Okay, so then if I want to manipulate this, up here at the top, well, first you have to make sure it's selected. If I click over here, it's not selected. I can't manipulate it. So I actually have to click on the thing I want to manipulate. Then up here at the top, I can see this little paint bucket. It says fill color. So I can fill the letters. If you click on that, you can fill the letters with any color that you want. If you fill it with a color you don't like, you just click on the bucket again and you change the color. So you can try all different types of colors. That one's kind of pretty. You can customize a color. So I can make it lighter or darker. That's nice. Okay. Right next to the bucket, there's a pencil. This is for the border color. So I want to add a border color. Let's see what black looks like. Black might be nice. We'll see. Then next to the pencil is these 3 lines, solid lines, border weight. You can see that some of them are larger than others. That's because when it says weight, they're talking about how thick or thin the line is. So I have a pretty thin line right now. I think I'm at 1 px. I want to go to, let's try 4. Ooh, that's nice and bold and thick. I'll try that. Next to the border weight, you see border dash. So if I pick that, I can choose all these different border dashes. So you can have a solid line, you could do polka dot border. That's weird. I don't like that on that particular one. That one looks like it's kind of sewn on or stitched on. That's kind of cool. But you can play with all of them and see if you like any of them. Otherwise, you can just pick solid. And then you're done with your name. Okay. So again, that is how to insert word art name. Oh, there's one more thing. If you want to do it, you can click Format. Whoops, again, I have to have my name selected. Now I can click Format, Options, Format, Options, and then Drop Shadow means that I can have a shadow. If you do distance, it will show how far from the word your shadow can go. If you do angle, you can change if it's to the right side, left side, top, bottom, etc. And if you choose blur radius, you can choose how blurry it gets, or solid. We'll go like there. And color transparency, how light or dark you want it. And then lastly, if you want to do a reflection of your name, so instead of a drop shadow, you want a reflection, then you can click on reflection. And same thing, you can do the distance it goes from your name, how light or dark it is, if you want it really subtle or really dark, and the size. So you want your whole name reflected, you can do it all the way there, just a little bit of your name reflected, so on and so forth. Okay, again, that is how you manipulate word art.